Join me as I show you how to make this chic and glamorous Halloween DIY. Hello craft friends! Today I'm going to show you how to do this super cool, glamorous Halloween decor. I don't know about you, but out in the world there's not a lot of glamorous Halloween decor, and my house is glam and I want to do glam Halloween decor. So it's not quite a craft, so I can't really call it a craft, but it is a DIY, and I wanted to show you what I did. So if this is your first time here, I love to show you crafts and DIYs that you can do by yourself or with your friends. So please consider subscribing below, ringing the little bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. So also, all of the stuff that you need is in the description below, links somewhere to find it. So check that out for all the shopping links of what to do. So without further ado, let me show you what I did for this craft. Basically, I have this wall that I always have these gold angled pieces already on it. So I kind of was thinking, man, let's decorate them, make them a little more festive for Halloween. Came to me while I was like eating at the dining room table. I'm like, oh, I could decorate these. Then I thought, oh, how cool would it be if I always decorated this wall and these little gold angled things for any holiday. So this might be a continuing thing that you see. So for now, we did Halloween. And like I said, I have a hard time finding kind of more glamorous, sophisticated Halloween decor. So I decided to make some myself. So these I found on Amazon, and they're really cool little just pieces on their own. Then I bought this black Spanish moss, which you can use in so many other Halloween decors. So I just bought a bag of this black Spanish moss, and then I got little decor pieces. So all of these little pieces, the skulls, the bones, and the little bat, these were all from the dollar store. Like, pretty cool, right? The dollar store actually has some legit Halloween decor, and I was really excited to find them. So this was $1. A pack of these, pack of the skulls, I think 8 came in there, were only $1. And then also the little bones. And then other things you just need is I have some gold wire under here. You can use any color wire. You can use a twisty tie if you don't have wire for the bat to hang on. And that's really all I did. I stuffed some Spanish moss in here, and then I put the little decor. Or up here, I wrapped the wire around the gold so the bird can hang, and then I put the Spanish moss in there. Basically all I did. So I did do a video of it, so I'll show you really quick of me working on this wall, but I love it. And it was so simple to do and so glamorous and chic, right? Chic Halloween decor. So without further ado, let me show you the video. So there's my baby. I got to wear my baby while doing this craft. Videos have changed a little bit. Have to carry a little extra package in the front there with me when I do my videos now, which I don't mind. It's very fun. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I have my gold angle pieces hanging on my wall. I added some Spanish moss there and added the bones and skull heads to the Spanish moss. Added a little more Spanish moss wherever you want it. If you want more behind it, that's what I was doing there. I then added the gold wire across those other ones, those other angled pieces to hang the bats from. And then I added some Spanish moss on top of that. Just kind of helps keep the Spanish moss in place. And that's really about it, friends. Super cute. I love it. So I hope if you decided to do this craft that you will tag me. I love seeing your finished product. I guess not craft, DIY. I love seeing your finished product. So if you decide to do this, tag me at Social Crafts. That's at Social Crafts, or even hashtag Social Crafts is fine as well. And then also I love being in touch with you outside of YouTube. So Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is our Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Please consider following. I'd love to see you there. And then also, of course, subscribe. So you can subscribe, ring the little bell icon, and that will give you all the notifications of when I post a new video. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Thumbs up this video if you loved it, and I will see you next time.